morning everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to control LEDs with GUI interface. We are going to create a GUI to control 3 LEDs with 3 buttons in the GUI such that whenever the button is clicked, the corresponding LED turns on. We are going to use 2 libraries, one is tkinter and one is GPIO. tkinter is a GUI library which is an inbuilt one in the Python, and GPIO is used to control the GPIO pins in the Raspberry Pi. This is the GUI we are going to create. We have 4 buttons: red, green, gold, exit. Exit button will close the GUI window. Red button will turn the red LED on. Green button, green LED on. Gold button, gold LED on. Here in the video you can see when I run the code, I am able to see my GUI. And when I click the button, I am able to get my LED turned on. So basically this is the basic code to create my the GUI we need. First I am importing the tkinter files, then tkinter font, then I am calling the window, GUI window, then I am naming my title as LED toggler. The name of the GUI window I am naming it as LED toggler. Then I am customizing my font family using my font is equal to tkinter.font, family is equal to Helvetica, size is 12, weight is bold. Then I am creating 4 buttons: LED button 1, LED button 2 and exit button. So LED button, this LED button dot grid, this grid is basically used to position the element, like in which row and which column you want to position the button or the elements. So basically LED button in the row 1, column 0, LED button 1, row 2, LED button 2, row 3, exit button, row 4. So whenever the button is clicked, the corresponding function will be called. For example, when LED button 1, that is red button, is clicked, the text, okay, this text is nothing but the label which you see on the GUI. Here for the LED button I had given my label as red, LED button 1 the label is green, LED button 2 the label is gold, and so on. And the command, now when I click the LED button, I will be able to access this function LED toggle. Same way, if I can click LED button 2, I will be able to access LED toggle 2 function, and exit button close off function. And basically this window destroy will be destroying the GUI. Now let's see what is the basic code to blink a LED. First I am importing the GPIO library, then time library, then I am setting mode to GPIO BCM, GPIO.BCM. Basically this BCM will be calculating the number of the port using GPIO numberings like GPIO 1, GPIO 2, GPIO 3, like that. Then we have set warnings of false. Then this is the important part, I am setting my port. The port I am going to use here is 4. So this port I am setting as output port. For that I am using GPIO.out. Then I am turning, initially I want it to be turned off, the LED to be turned off, so I am giving initial GPIO low. Then I am creating a while loop because I want the LED to blink infinitely. Then this command GPIO.output of 4, 1, this will set the LED to high. This will set the GPIO to high, and this will turn on the LED. Then next, sleep off 1. So LED will be turned on for 1 second. Then I am setting my output to 0 so that my LED get turned off. Then again I'm making it turned off for making the LED turned off for 1 second. Then finally I am cleaning up all my ports. So let's see the code part. First is creating a GUI window. Already I explained to you all these things. I'm importing my GPIO library, importing time, setting the mode. Then I'm initializing all my 3 ports, GPIO 4, GPIO 2, GPIO 15 to output port, and I'm setting its initial value to low. You can see in the video, when I click the red button, my LED gets turned on, it blinks infinitely. So we have 2 things here. One is the function LED toggle, another is a button. So LED button, I'm creating a button which is labeled as red, and I'm initializing my height, width for it, and the background. Then I'm positioning my button to row 1 and column 0. Now the LED button, when clicked, will be calling the command LED toggle. LED toggle is nothing but a function. So here is the definition for it. Basically what LED toggle does is, it will be calling an infinite while loop, where first I will be turning on the LED, then the LED will be turned on for 1 second, then it will get turned off, it will be turned off for 1 second, and it repeats. So this code basically make the GPIO 4, that is the red LED, it makes the red LED turn on and turn off. Same code I am using for green button and yellow button 2. I am creating a LED button 1, labeling it as green, command LED toggle 1, height and width as set, the position to row 2. I'm again creating an infinite loop, setting my output to high, then low, and it repeats. Similarly, gold button, LED button 2, labeled as gold, LED toggle 2, the function which is going to be called, height and width are set, position to row 3, and when the function is called, LED turns on and blinks, turns on for 1 second, turns off for 1 second, and it repeats. So coming to the final button, you can see when I click the exit button, the windows gets destroyed. So here you can see I am creating an exit button labeled as exit, setting the height and width, positioning it to row 4, column 4, actually column 0, you can, and then the function called is close off, and the work of the function is to destroy the GUI using window.destroy off. Here is the source code for reference. Thank you. Thank you.